My spicy tuna tartare recipe proves that you don't need to be a professional sushi chef to enjoy bold Japanese-inspired flavors at home. It's fresh, simple, and ready in minutes. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, our celebration is all about tuna. We're going to be making my spicy tuna tartare. Now, what is tuna tartare? A tartare is a raw application. You've maybe heard of steak tartare. I'm doing a similar thing with tuna. So we're going to have some raw tuna today. It's going to have lots of flavors. Let's get started. Let's first talk about the tuna. I have a big bowl of tuna here. This is 8 ounces, 226 grams of sushi or sashimi grade tuna. I buy it frozen, and most really good supermarkets will have it frozen, and it will say on the label if it's sashimi grade or sushi grade. If you can't find a product like this, talk to the fishmonger. Talk to those folks behind the fish counter. Ask them if they have sushi grade or if they can get it for you. Sometimes the fresh tuna they have isn't sushi grade, and that's what you really want. But ask, make friends with them. So back to my tuna. You want to keep this nice and cold. And all we're going to do is we're going to cut it into little pieces. I'm going to start, we're just going to cut this into planks. Now, a good sharp knife is your friend. It will make this job a lot easier. And if you get it frozen and it's still a little bit frozen, that'll make it easy too. These are about 1/2 inch thick or so. Be careful. And you're just going to cut it into little pieces like this. They don't have to be perfect. I'll do another one. Little plank, right down the center. Our tuna is ready. It's all cut up. Let's add some flavors. Now to this bowl, I'm going to add some pine nuts. You know what pine nuts are, also known as pinoli. You see them a lot at Christmas time. But they're wonderful. They have a great texture and a flavor. This is 3 tablespoons of toasted pine nuts. How did I toast them? All I did was I took a dry frying pan, a small one, over medium-low heat and put the nuts in. And then I watched them like a hawk. It took 45 seconds to a minute, maybe a little over a minute. When you're doing this, do not answer the phone. Don't go on social media. Keep an eye on them. You want to get the oils just going, and they will go from slightly golden to burned in a flash if you're not careful. So keep them moving, pay attention to them. 3 tablespoons right in. Next up, some freshness and a little zing. We're going to get that from 3 tablespoons of chopped scallions. This is just the green part. Now this is a spicy tuna tartare. We're going to get that spice from 1 diced jalapeno. This is a pretty large one. I like a little more than the average. You can use any type of chili you like. If you like something hotter, then go ahead and use it. Ginger is next. It's going to add another type of heat and some freshness. I have 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger. Do use fresh. What I like to do is keep it in the freezer. It makes it grate a lot easier. Right in. Soy sauce is next. This is my favorite kind. I like a low sodium soy sauce, but you can use whatever kind you like. This is 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And finally, we're going to add some warmth and richness. We're going to get that from this beautiful amber liquid. It's toasted sesame oil. This is 1 tablespoon. Now, be careful with this. Make sure you measure it out this can be very, very strong and can really overpower a dish. Now we need to give this a stir to combine it. Believe it or not, we're done. It's just that simple. But how do you serve this? I like serving it on some fried wontons. And how do I get this? I got a package of wonton skins. You can find them in the Asian section or in the vegan section. Some supermarkets even have them in the produce section. So I got a package of them. I heated up about a ½ inch, which is 1¼ centimeters of vegetable oil to about 350 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius. And then I added a few wontons in the pan and I fried them for 30 to 45 seconds until they were just golden brown. All right, let's plate some of these up. I'm going to take a few of these wontons. That's a nice plate. And then very simply, we're going to put a little spoonful on each one. Not too much. This is finger food after all. But look at the colors. The green from the scallions and the pepper. The texture from those pine nuts. The glistening of the sesame oil. And sometimes they get a little messy, and that's okay. So here we have 3 beautiful little crackers, a nice little appetizer. You could also do this on any other type of cracker, on cucumber slices, however you like. But you know, I'm feeling a little fancy today. I have here a beautiful little plate and a ring mold. We're going to make a tower. And we're going to start with some avocado. So this was just 1 avocado that I cut up. Did you know if you can't get ripe avocados, you can get them frozen and they're delicious. So I'm going to start with a layer of avocado right in the bottom. A little bit more. Press it down so it goes all together. Now we're going to top it with this tuna mixture. This will make a very generous first course. Push it down so it all molds together. Okay, the moment of truth. How beautiful is that? Now you could garnish this with some cilantro or scallions, but honestly, I think that's perfect. All right, here we are, 2 platings of this beautiful tartare, a nice little appetizer, or a very elegant first course. Let's give it a little taste. These are a little messy, but they're worth it. Wow, that tuna is so fresh. Taste of the sea. And then you get the soy sauce and the sesame oil, scallion, and the jalapeno. And the pine nuts add a nice little creamy texture as well. Delicious. Alrighty, if you like this episode, sign up for our newsletter and get the recipes in your inbox. Then help us grow the channel by hitting that subscribe button, smashing that like button, and hitting the notification bell so you never miss an episode. I am actually going to serve this to my family for a nice dinner tonight. While I do that, I want you to sit back, relax, and watch this episode over here. So until next time, everyone, cheers.